Alright, today we have this boot lock lid. Now, as you just seen, key in, it's very tight. Now, I'm just taking that off. To fix this problem, I've got some graphite powder. That's what it is, it's a lock lubricant. Now, the reason why we won't be putting any WD-40 or any oil or anything that's oily or anything in the lock is because it will attract dirt. Now once it gets dirt in there, we're going to have a real problem. So what you do is, with this graphite powder, you're going to have to try and hold the tab back, and then we just, oh, see that? Just shot out. Alright, so we filled it up a decent amount in there. Let's put our key in there. Oh yeah, she's got in there already. Yeah, still a little bit dicky. So what we're going to do is shoot some more graphite powder in it. Whoa, shit, that was a fair bit then. Yeah, try not to get this shit all over your hands then if you can help it. Because this shit is a prick to get off your hands. What we want to do is we're going to work it with a lock. Okay. Pull it in and out, pop your key in there, and just work it heaps with your lock like this. Now be careful with the key, because you can see that shit's on the key. Now this shit is bad, like it definitely lives up to its name. And I'll just give you a bit of a look at what I'm talking about. Now I've already got it on my hands, as you can see, it's bad shit. So what we do is just wipe it. See, we got quite a fair bit in the lock, but that's good, because this is not going to be a binder. I'm going to have to go and wash my hands properly after I finish here. But now the key's perfect. As you can see there, look at that, we've loosened her up. Easy. Now the reason why I'm working it backwards and forwards is because there's obviously had moisture and stuff in it and it's dry, and that's why we're having that problem. And yeah, just work it, just like that. Be careful too, like, you know. Very happy with that. Very happy. It's worked a treat. Look at that, easy. Easy now. Just for good measure, just want to give it another, just a little puff again, just to be extra sure. We're sorry about turning the camera, because I had to sit that, got it on behind me. Just want to make sure we get enough in there, in the actual mechanism of it. See, that way wherever it's in there. Alright, that's it. And that's how you fix a lock that is sticking on any vehicle, ignition, any lock, even in your house and that. Never ever use oil or WD-40 or nothing, because that shit attracts dust and dirt, and once it gets in there, it'll bind up your lock and you'll have nothing but problems. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, it's messy shit, as you can see. It's not the nicest shit. And you can pick this up. You can pick this graphite powder up online, pretty cheap, for about probably $4 or $5. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment. Have a great day.